of you. So I really feel happy, elated to see so many students, starting their journey, explained, where plethora of activities are conducted off and on. Degrees are there, no doubt, you have to study, but at the same time, I am more particular about the activities, right? So if there are plethora of activities which you are always involved in, that means you are going to become a wholesome person, a person having holistic approach. That is the main point. And the workshop, or you can say the orientation or the induction program which I am going to start is based on that only, right? So before starting, I would like to give my introduction, because I know our host, our anchors, they have already given, but I would like to tell you something more about it. Okay. Presently, I'm working with you can say associated as a CLAT faculty for English and Logical Reasoning in Elite Law Institute, which is a renowned institute for judiciary exams, okay, KCS, prosecuting officers, and at the same time they undertake CLAT courses as well as IPMAT courses, being associated with Career Launcher. Okay, so I feel really honored to be associated with a organization which conduct examinations all over India. It's a very well known, right, Career Launcher. So besides this academics, I have 25 years of experience working in the schools, the topmost schools of Jammu, right, KC Public, Nagbani, Jodhamal. But later on, I decided to quit school because I thought that now it's time to train others, to help others, to guide others. That's why I shifted myself to an organization which deals with competitive exams, and other than that, besides academically, I wanted to contribute something to the students, right? So that they can express themselves very well, they can come out of their inhibitions, because earlier I have also faced the same thing, right? So I want everyone should come out, especially the rich, which are not considered as metropolitan cities. So the areas which don't fall in that, we have, intelligentsia over there. We have intelligentsia over there. It's just we have to explore them. So this particular session is for that only. Okay. So the X factor. Let's focus on. Rest you already know who am I. What is the name of my studio? X factor is an important factor. Can anybody tell me, because it is going to be a very engaging and interactive session. Okay. So can anybody tell me what is this X factor? Yes. Anyone? Please don't be hesitant, because once you have taken admission in BBA, once you have taken in BCA, now you have to be very much, outspoken, isn't it? Yes, please.
The factor that describes you and your personality.
Yes, the special quality, very right, very close. The special quality which is there within you, right, which describes you, is your X factor. So I'm here to help you out, to understand, to discover that X factor within you, right? That special quality which is present in every human being. It's irrespective of where you are born, okay? Irrespective of from which place you belong to, a backward area or wherever, but you have that X factor, जिसकी वजह से आपको जाना जाता है, right? So my session, this session will not be full of quotes. I don't remember quotes, sorry to say that. I'm very confident in saying that. I don't remember theories, okay? Definitions मैं आपको नहीं बताने वाली, वो आपको आपके teachers बताएंगे, right? So वो आपकी theory है जो आपको पढ़नी है, that is also must or necessary. But I will be taking the experimental part, which I believe in, okay? Experimental means the activity part. I want you people to engage in it, okay? So that you know the actual thing. Because बोलने में बहुत कुछ बोला जाता है, but actually जब करने में आता है तो people step back, right? They step back, right? Let's go to the next slide. Yeah, so we'll start with an ice-breaking activity, and that is 3 objects which define you. 3 objects. I'm not talking about qualities, just objects, okay, which define you. So here you can see these 3. They define me. Can you just assess? Can you just guess what is this candle about? Why candle? क्या मैं पतली हूँ इसलिए candle? No. Okay. Mirror, this is a beautiful mirror. I think I'm very beautiful. No, not at all. Beauty is in the mind, not outside. Torch. Torch लेके घूमती हूँ. हाँ बताइए क्या मतलब निकलता है? What it symbolizes actually? What it symbolizes? Yes, sorry. Explorer किसके लिए? टॉर्च के लिए. हाँ, मैंने इसका कुछ और सोचा है, बट एक्सप्लोरर हो सकता है. Guidance, leadership, okay? I always, whenever anybody comes to me, whether I have the knowledge of that particular area or not, I try to search and I try to help. Spark is there, but see, the candle always burns, it melts. Okay, so I do a lot of hard work. When I do hard work, I don't think, and it's not that I'm boasting off, it's a reality. Okay, I'm very honest in my speech and very honest and very realistic. Okay, I hard work. My family members say that this is not the thing which you have to do. Okay, you have to cut down your effort, but I cannot. When there is some responsibility, whether I will be recognized for it or not, it doesn't matter at all. That's why I associate myself with candle. Okay, I work hard, I put my best efforts, and then I wait for the results. And then with that, I think I contribute something. It's not कि मुझे कुछ नहीं मिल रहा पर किसी को तो कुछ मिल रहा है. Then comes mirror. Mirror is very important. What does it signify? Yes. What does it signify? Can anybody tell me? कुछ guess लगा लो. कोई यहाँ पे आपको award नहीं मिलना है, कुछ नहीं मिलना है. Any guesses will work. But I want to see that you are thinking at least. Ideate. That is important. Expressible. हाँ हो सकता है. ये भी कर सकते हैं. Okay, this quality can be associated, but I have something else in my mind. Anyone else? Self-awareness. When you are standing in the mirror, you cannot ignore the faults, the flaws within you. Okay? एक्सटर्नल की बात कर रही हूँ, आप नहीं इग्नोर कर सकते. अगर आपकी नाक टेढ़ी है तो मिरर आपको टेढ़ी दिखाएगा. अगर आपके बाल सफेद हो रहे हैं तो वो सफेद ही दिखाएगा. So it's about self-awareness. I know what my strength is. I know what my weaknesses are. And that is important. If you just ignore your weaknesses, that means you are fooling yourself. Or you will be fooled by others as well, because you are living in a fake world. ठीक है? तो वो बहुत जरूरी है. ये तीन चीजें मैं एसोसिएट करती हूँ. So it's totally different with you. Now you have to tell me, see, this is going to be very engaging and interacting, right? So you have to tell me what 3 objects you can associate with. Yes, come on. कुछ भी सोचो और बता दो. We have so many things. See, you are going to be known later on when you pass this college. You become a pass out. You will be known by this only. अगर आप बोलोगे तो तभी जाने जाओगे. मैं बता. Right? This is the first thing. अभी आपने शर्म के लिए या hesitant हो तो बोला नहीं है तो ये चीज घर में एक्टिविटी करनी है. Okay? Please start. Keep 1 hour separate to grow yourself, to groom yourself. Okay? That is very important. Let's go ahead. Can you change the slide, please? Okay, now personality is what you are. If you have tried to explore that what particular objects define you, you are assertive, you are determined, you are aggressive. गलत भी हो सकती हैं, ऐसे नहीं, negative qualities भी हो सकती हैं. You are problematic or you are a problem solver. Okay, whatever it is, you must think about these 4-5 qualities within you, and then that describes your personality. So instead of giving a full-fledged definition of personality, I would like to help you discover yourself, explore yourself, whether you have these qualities or not. Once you have discovered, एक बार ये एक्टिविटी आप घर पे कर लेंगे ना अपने साथ, आपको अच्छे से पता लग जाएगा कि आप क्या हो. I'm not talking about that types of personality, introverts, extroverts, ambiverts. वो बहुत easy है define करना, बहुत easy है. But उसके बीच के भी बहुत से parts हैं. सब जानते हैं ना, उसके बीच बीच के बहुत है. कोई एक्सट्रोवर्ट किसी जगह होता है, कोई एम्बीवर्ट कहीं होता है. वो अपने लाइक माइंडेड पीपल के साथ क्या होगा, एक्सट्रोवर्ट होगा. बट अपनी फैमिली में हो सकता है उसको बड़ी डांटें पड़ती है, वो क्या हो जाएगा, इंट्रोवर्ट हो जाएगा. राइट? सो इट डजंट डिफाइन an actual personality. Okay, actual personality is what you know about yourself. Okay, so try exploring yourself. Number 1. If you are a corporate employee, if you are a environmentalist, if you are a mountaineer, these are just 4 occupations which I have taken. If you are a dancer or a boxer, whosoever is it, or a drama artist, you know who you are. Your qualities which are inherent within you, that makes your personality, and people know because of you. If I am very social, I'm very helpful, जो भी बात कही एक दूसरे से करेगा वो कहेगा ओ वो बहुत हेल्पफुल, तुम why don't you go to her, she'll solve your problem somehow. Okay, if I'm very good in yoga, somebody will say why don't you ask her, she'll tell you some poses. So you are known by these qualities, just explore those in order to understand who you are. That is the first step towards success. Know who you are. Okay, try exploring, right? Can we have the next slide? Okay, now comes the degree. I am not at all, please, if somebody gets affected or hurt, I am not against degrees. Degrees are there, but personality, if we compare it with personality, I think personality matters a lot. डिग्री आपके पास होगी, आप किसी इंटरव्यू रूम में एंटर कर सकते हो. ओके, यू कैन बी देयर. ओके, यू विल बी एलिजिबल सिटिंग इन दैट क्यू and going inside the room and sitting in front of the interviewer. But actually what matters, the moment you are hired, then your sustainability, your presence for the long run in that room decides only your personality. Okay, your attitude, your way, how you think, how you behave. Okay, so that's why if we just see the aspect, what it proves, personality क्या prove करती है, पहले हम aspect देखते हैं. You studied and passed. सॉरी, डिग्री क्या प्रूव करती है, आपने पढ़ा और आपने पास कर लिया. अगर हम पर्सनालिटी की तरफ चलें, वो क्या करेगा, यू थिंक, यू बिहेव एंड रिलेट मीनिंगफुली. आपने इतने थीसिस लिख लिए हैं, ओके, पढ़ लिए हैं वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट पे, घर पे जाके आप अपनी मदर को कुछ बोल रहे हो, ओके, और अपनी वाइफ को कुछ गलत बोल रहे हो, what for that study is useless. So that forms your personality. That means you are what? You are affected by male chauvinism. तुम्हारे अंदर मेल शोविनिज्म है. तुम वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट पे ऐसे लिख के फुल मार्क्स भी ले आओगे, बट यू आर नॉट एक्चुअली दैट पर्सन. ओके, यू डोंट एक्चुअली imbibe that what you learn. Okay, so here is the personality, what you think, you observe, you relate meaningfully, helps in. अब ये क्या कहां पे हेल्प करती है, डिग्री हमें हेल्प करेगी जॉब के अंदर घुसने में, क्योंकि आप एलिजिबल हो. इधर BCA चाहिए, इधर BBA चाहिए, इधर MBA चाहिए, तो आपको एडमिशन मिल जाएगा. देन व्हाट पर्सनालिटी विल, you will remain over there, you will grow, you can switch to other companies because of your capability. Okay, then comes your next part, common or unique. डिग्रीज तो सबके पास है, जितने यहां सबके पास एक ही डिग्री है कि नहीं. जब आप पास आउट होगे एक ही डिग्री होगी. few nurture it. पर्सनालिटी को ग्रो कुछ लोग ही करते हैं. मेरी डिग्रीज इस वक्त कहां पड़ी हुई है मुझे कोई पता नहीं है, शायद और वो खराब भी होगी, उसको जंग भी लग गया है. हाँ, मुझे डुप्लीकेट निकालनी पड़ेंगी जाके, बट दैट डजंट मैटर एट ऑल. व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग MA इंग्लिश, आई वाज नॉट नोइंग व्हाट आई नो नाउ. आई हैव इवॉल्व्ड विद इन द इयर्स, बट यू हैव टू इवॉल्व एट द राइट टाइम. अभी आपका टाइम है, इसी टाइम आप सीख लो कैसे इवॉल्व होना है, कैसे चेंज होना है. ओके, वो लेट हो जाएगा. जैसे मैंने लेट इवॉल्व किया, आई एम अ लेट बूमर, बट इट्स बेटर टू इवॉल्व नाउ. इट्स योर स्टेज. ओके, इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट Instagram and all that social media and engagement, it's better to learn something. Okay, that will pay you. So few nurture it. अब आगे आ जाइए. Tells the employer your skills on paper. I have problem solving skill, I have linguistic skills, I have communicative skills. आप चैट GPT खोलो या कैनवा पे जाओ या कहीं पे जाओ, तो आपको डिटेल्स मिल जाएंगी, सारी छाप दो 1 मिनट में. पर क्या वो है आपके अंदर? Do you possess those things? आगे चलिए. How you fit the team when it is actually done. Fit the culture, fit the clients. Okay, when you face the clients, do you use that persuasive language? तुम्हें एक प्रोडक्ट दिया जाता है, एक मोबाइल दिया जाता है बेचने के लिए, क्या तुम इंप्रेस कर सकते हो क्लाइंट्स को? वहां तुम परसुएसिव स्किल्स लिख रहे हो, क्या कर सकते हो? नो, दैट मीन्स यू डोंट पोजेस. That day I always speak with examples, real life examples. That day I got my bulb fused, right? I know very well how to fix it. I told my son, he's a engineer, mechanical engineer, and now he has turned to banker. Okay, वो बैंकर बन गया. तो उसको मैंने कहा ये लगा देना, क्योंकि उसकी हाइट ज्यादा है, तो मैंने कहा मुझे चढ़ना पड़ेगा, गिर जाऊंगी अब इस उम्र में, टांग वांग टूट जाएगी. तो मैंने कहा तुम कर लो. वो चढ़ा, इसको तार को इससे जोड़ना है कि उससे जोड़ना है ना, तो उसने प्लग तो कर दिया बट वो वायर्स को ज्वाइन करना था, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी, किसी वायर को किसी के साथ ज्वाइन कर सकते, इसको इससे करना। मैंने कहा तूने इंजीनियरिंग किस बात की है? तो व्हेन यू हैव लर्न फिजिक्स, तुमने फिजिक्स पढ़ी है तो तुम्हें ये नहीं पता कौन सी तार किसे जोड़, मैंने इलेक्ट्रिशियन का वो थोड़ी ना काम किया है। सो दिस इज नॉट द थिंग, practical aspect is must, you should be knowing. If you know how to just nail on the wall, it doesn't mean that you become a carpenter. आपको आना चाहिए, छोटी छोटी चीजें सब पता होनी चाहिए। अगर आपको स्क्रू करना नहीं कुछ आता, that's wrong. So same goes for this, how you fit the team when you are in the office in the corporate sector and the team is shattered, how you going to fix them? कैसे उनको शांत करोगे, ये तुम बताओगे तो you will become in the notice of the CEO, of the boss, and he will say yes, this person has the spark. Okay, then culture, how you maintain the culture, integrated, आप सारे जुड़े हो एक में, काम अपने अपने हैं पर आप belongingness है पूरी की पूरी। Then comes your clients, how you deal with your clients, उनको हर्षाप करते हैं, मुझे तो तनख्वाह मिल जानी, मुझे क्या जरूरत है, ठीक है, आए ना आए, नो, every client means a lot. Okay, let's go ahead. Static और dynamic, यही सब आपको भी तो क्या चाहिए, कैसी चीजें चाहिए, डायनामिक चाहिए या स्टैटिक चाहिए, कैसी चाहिए, डायनामिक। स्टैटिक कोई नहीं चाहता, तो आपका डिग्री जो है दे स्टैटिक अनलेस एंड अंटिल यू कीप ऑन डूइंग मोर कोर्सेज। हमारे पास कितने कोर्सेज आजकल इंटरनेट पे अवेलेबल है, सो व्हाई डोंट यू गो फॉर दिस, उससे आप अपने आप को अपस्किल करते हो। ओके, सो if you are into that, then it's fine, otherwise your degrees are static. And if you go for personality, you can become, you can evolve, you can grow every day. So और कई बार आपको अपनी पुरानी जो आदतें हैं उसको de-skill भी करना है, de-learn भी करना, not de-skill, that's a wrong word, de-learn भी करना होता है। कुछ हैबिट्स हैं जो आपके अंदर ऑलरेडी है, राइट, और वो ठीक नहीं है, बिकॉज यू आर फेसिंग द सेम प्रॉब्लम्स अगेन एंड अगेन। आप फिर उसी सिचुएशन में पहुंच जाते हो, उस विशेष सर्कल के शिकार हो जाते हो, विक्टिम हो जाते हो। दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू de-learn something. That can only happen if you know your personality, and this will hamper you when you will be there in your workplace. जो भी आप प्रोफेशन, चाहे आप एंटरप्रेन्योर बनो, चाहे आप टीम लीडर बनो, चाहे आप गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर में भी जाओगे, वहां पे भी ये चीज आपको खराब करेगी। ओके, सो प्लीज ग्रो। So this is how what we wanted, and I think I was successful in making this, and this chart is very important. You can do it at home also and work on it later on. अब चलते हैं इनर एज पे, अंदर से कैसे आपने बढ़ना है। आपका माइंडसेट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, और सेल्फ अवेयरनेस। सेल्फ अवेयरनेस तो मैंने आपको पहले से बता दी, माइंडसेट जो है वो देखते हैं। फिक्स्ड माइंडसेट वर्सेस ग्रोथ माइंडसेट। Can you give some examples of fixed mindset versus growth mindset? If I say, I think this is the most annoying workshop, I am not going to do this workshop again because the students don't respond. They don't give response. They don't respond. If I say this, what is it? It's a fixed mindset or growth mindset? If I say, I will try my best to let them speak, to open up with my words, I have the power. I have the power. If at all, if only 2 students will stand up who are earlier hesitant, who were previously hesitant, that means my work is done. This is growth mindset. It's saturation point आ गया, I cannot do this job, I am over with it. इसके अलावा आप छोड़ दो जॉब को, but I will work on something else where I am good at. Where I am good at. That is what? Growth mindset. So always acquire this type of mindset. आप डिग्रीज ले लो, आप सेल्फ अवेयर भी हो जाओ, पर माइंडसेट नहीं चेंज करोगे, you will not grow. So I have lot many examples, so because of the paucity of time, I will stop here. This is the difference. I hope you have understood the difference between growth mindset and fixed mindset. Okay, let's move ahead. अब ये एक्टिविटी तो आपको करनी पड़ेगी, लास्ट एलिवेटर पिच। ये क्या होती है, और फीडबैक जो है वो सबने देना है यूजिंग 5C। एलिवेटर पिच है, आपने अपने बारे में बताना, हु यू आर। यू विल कम ओवर हियर एंड स्पीक। जैसे मैंने बताया, आई एम तमन्ना पंडोई, आई एम वर्किंग विद एलीट लॉ इंस्टीट्यूट, हु इज अ वेरी ऑनर्ड partner, franchisee partner of Career Launcher, and they are doing good in CLAT and IPMAT. I'm teaching logical reasoning and English over there. Other than academics, I have my own passion to help students, right? I'm very passionate about that. I keep on learning more and more things. I was a coordinator, Trinity coordinator when I was in school, and I used to teach students communication skills by giving them tasks. Okay, and now though I am on the last phase of my life, but I still want to learn and want to contribute through my experience of life. This is my elevator pitch. Okay, and you have to speak like that, what you want, who you are, what you want to be. Come, volunteers, ये तो आना पड़ेगा, because this is how I will come to know that you have gained something from this induction program, from this, lecture. Yes, come on. Who will come over here? I'll give you time. Take time. 1 minute. हाँ, सेकेंड ईयर के भी होंगे. एलिवेटर पिच तो बोलनी है, वो तुम्हारा लास्ट एक्टिविटी है. कम ऑन, कम ऑन. क्यों उसको वो उठा था बेचारे, उसको फिर बिठा दिया आपने? दैट्स अ नेसेसिटी. ओके, चलो वहां से होके फिर आ जाओ, फिर बताओ. Elevator pitch. Very good. Come over here. Excellent. Give him a good hand. I'm so happy. तो मन्ना मैम को याद रखना कि मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम तुम्हें बोला था इधर आ जाओ. अरे तुम तो यहाँ से जंप करके आ सकते हो. बोलना, आपने अपने बारे में बोलना है. आई एम दिस, आई हैव डन दिस. हाँ, मैंने अभी बोला जो तुम कर रहे हो अभी, बीबीए तुमने की, तुम कहाँ से हो, तुम आगे चल के क्या करना चाहते हो. वेरी गुड. ठीक है, आ जाओ.
Hello guys.
Yes, it has to be informal. Good. Go ahead. क्या हो रहा है? टांग स्टेज हिल रहा है? नहीं हिल रहा, नहीं हिल रहा. ऐसे ही ओवरकम करोगे नर्वसनेस.
Previous I cracked my first exam and I.
पहले टेल योर नेम प्लीज. टेल योर
My
नेम.
name is Jinsi. And previous I cracked my first exam and I went to in IMS and I used to do BBA first semester. And I want to tell my ma'am thank you for my giving me this opportunity.
Okay.
This is very big opportunity for me.
And you belong to which place? Tell me something about that.
I belong to my hometown, Jammu.
Okay. And then what you want to become later? What is your ambition in life? You can add on.
I want to go abroad.
Okay.
My further study.
Okay. For further studies. And then you want to contribute to that country only, or you want to come back? You want to be there? Huh? Huh? Brain drain.
My also living in Australia.
Oh, he's staying. Okay.
Open transportation.
Okay.
Jones and Sons.
So we are proud that we we contribute something to other country. Okay, we are so capable, we are so much hardworking that we contribute for other, economies. Okay, good.
I go abroad. And
You will go abroad.
I
Okay.
join brother company.
Brother's company. Okay, that's great. Okay, very nice, very nice. So later on, please keep it in mind how you scale him, और फिर उसके बाद वो उस पर काम करेगा, और ये बच्चा काम करने वाला है. आइए बच्चे. What's your name?
Good morning everyone, my name is Rashmi Kaur. I am from Jammu. I completed my studies to IIT Public High Secondary School from Jammu, and now I am here to pursue my degree from BCA, and I am becoming a good programmer, improve my skills.
That's it? Okay. You are passionate about something? You are passionate about something?
Learning about
Learning new things. Okay. Good, good. Okay. Yes, next. Anyone else? Come. जो बच्चे खड़े होकर ड्यूटी दे रहे हैं, आपको बोलना ही नहीं है कुछ, खाली ड्यूटी देनी है. आ जाओ इधर. Come on. ये जो इतने डेडिकेटेडली ड्यूटीज दे रहे हैं, आपको भी तो पूरा हक है बोलने का.
Good morning everyone, my name is Anmol. I am pursuing my BBA degree from IMS, and in future I see myself as a part of a company big. I MNCs or something. And yeah, the main focus, the previous first thing is to earn money, so I want to pick earning job. Thank you.
That's all? You're passionate about something? You have something else in your mind other than money?
Money is like first focus.
First focus?
I'm passionate about to join the army and serve the nation.
Army and serve nation. Okay. But you said you want to join some company.
It's like professional.
Okay,
and
profession.
Passion is to join.
Passion is to army. You're working on it?
Yes, ma'am.
You're working on it. Okay. That's great. So that's all for today.